It's been such a long time since I've posted. I'm here with the baby. He's taking a nap. Yeah, it's been a while because it's hard to post with baby. He requires a lot of attention, and I've prioritized him over everything else. But I was supposed to do a mid-year review. I didn't get to it, so I get to do a full year review. Um, the year's been going okay so far. I spent about 6 months alone, which was hard for me. It started out okay because baby was tiny and he was sleeping a lot, but by the time he got to 4 or 5 months, it just became very hard to do anything other than taking care of him. Yeah, so back in January, February or so, I got a digital planner, specifically the Passion Planner, to help me with creating a better routine and manage my time better, but it didn't work so well. Again, because majority of what I do revolves around taking care of the baby. Even if I plan and by the second, by the minute, if baby needs to be taken care of, he needs to be taken care of. So for 2 or 3 months, I didn't plan. I didn't really have a routine. Yeah, I like the digital planner. It gives you room to be creative. You can put stickers, you can put pictures. I used eraser to remove backgrounds and use those pictures as stickers in my planner. But now with the latest Apple update for the iPhone, you can do that just by holding onto the picture with your finger without having to use a third-party application, which is nice. But yeah, the creativity that goes along with digital planning is fun and nice. The only issue I've had with it so far is that it does not give you reminders. And I really wish that we could get reminders. I was looking at the Passion Planner for the coming year, and it is quite expensive, $50 for the planner. I'm not sure whether they fixed that issue. It would be nice. I can't remember exactly how much I paid for it last time. Actually, I could try to look here. Maybe I can find it. No, it's not coming up. But anyway, it's quite expensive. So I tried to look into free options. I didn't find anything. And I was thinking of doing something on my own. But I like the Passion Planner. It has quotes on there. It helps you to create a roadmap for yourself. They do give you a lot on there. I will give them that. But if they could include reminders for engagements or appointments, to-dos, it would make a huge difference to the idea of digital planning. Yeah, so recently, in the past 1.5 months, I started using it again, and I really love it. I just wish that I could be better at time management and planning. So that's one of my goals in the new year, is to get a better routine and have better time management. What's wrong, love? It's okay. Anyway, the next thing that I worked on is what's wrong, love? See? This is what I'm talking about. What's wrong? Yes, love, it's okay. The next thing that I worked on was getting social media accounts. So when I was in high school, I deleted my Facebook. I ended up getting a Facebook account, Instagram, Twitter, because in this day and age, people share information by using social media, and it's important for me to know what's going on around the world to make the best decision for my baby. So it took me a while to figure all that out, but it was nice to be able to do it. Yes, love. Hold on. We had to take a quick break, but in addition to getting social media accounts, I also created a website, gadsatila.com. Yeah, that was a big thing for me. I've tried to work on it little bit at a time. Again, progress is slow because I'm always taking care of the baby. But now that I have it up, when I have time, I try to tweak it and make changes to it. And it's the best way to connect with me, because through there you can have access to my various other social media accounts. Let me get it for you, love. There you go. Anyway, yeah, I'm trying to think what else is new. I've been thinking big picture, the end goal, and how to improve myself, and that is in my ability to create content and share. The big thing for me is improving my quality. So because of that, I've been acquiring different gears that I can use. Most recently, I ordered the Zhiyun Weeble 2, and I also tried to get a drone, the DJI Mini 3 Pro. Unfortunately, I ordered the drone through Amazon, and the seller that I got it from apparently got flagged for fraud. And so when the delivery date passed, I never received it. I reached out to them and they're telling me this, and that I will never receive the drone. So I had to get a refund, and now I am stuck and don't know what to do because it's on back order through various other sites that I checked out, and they don't have exactly what I wanted. So that is a work in progress that I need to figure out a better option. And it's unfortunate because I am at a point where I feel like I need to make a big move. You know, I love watching Survivor, and a lot of the concepts in there can be implemented or compared to my life, and that I feel like I need to make a big move to do something big that is going to change the trajectory of my future, that is going to change how things are going for me. And so with that, I ended up buying a ticket to go to Europe a few nights ago. Yes. It is a big move for me, especially with having the baby. I don't feel prepared at all. Life feels like it's a complete mess currently, but I know that with persistence, with struggle, with pushing every day and trying to improve, that maybe I can improve. Maybe things will be different. So right now I feel frustrated with the process of getting gear for what I want to do, for the quality of content I want to create. I'm frustrated with my current situation, but these are roadblocks. These are what's the word I'm looking for? Things that are limiting me, but I want to rise above my limits. I want to rise.
This on the web.
I want to rise above the things that are holding me back and to do better. So, yeah, I'm really hoping that changing the scenery, being able to see a new place, will help me to get on a different path, that things will change for me, for us. Yeah, it's just sometimes you just feel like a mess, and right now I feel like a mess, but I know that I am better than this, that I can do better than where I am currently. And one of the things that I've been working on is I created 2 new YouTube accounts. One to talk about adoption experiences in English, and one to speak about adoption in Creole. It's important for me because adoption has had a profound effect on my life. So I want this to be a lifelong project where I'm able to share with people specifically the younger children that have been adopted, whether it's from Haiti, whether it's from Africa, Russia, Asia, all the Asian countries. There's a lot of us out there, and the younger children need some type of guidance, and the system needs to change so that things can improve for adopted children. So that is my lifelong mission, to be able to create a platform where I can connect with adopted children. And again, I am a complete mess right now, but I am looking forward to evolving, to challenging myself to transform and to get in a better place. The other issues that I've been dealing with is, you know, I'm still postpartum. My baby is about 10 months now. And even though I didn't gain much weight during my pregnancy, I've gained a lot of weight post-delivery. I'm not sure why. I mean, I do know part of the reason is because the baby wants to eat and wants milk, and I have to eat all the time. If he's hungry, I have to eat, because he doesn't like the milk unless I had just eaten. So that caused me to gain a lot of weight. I want to go to the gym, but I worry about bringing sickness to my partner as well as the baby. So because of that, I am really trying to be patient and wait out the storm, wait for things to get better. But yeah, if someone had told me 5 years ago that I could weigh 157 pounds, I would say no way, because I would challenge myself to gain weight, and by the time I get to 120, by the time I got to 120, I would always feel like I was big, heavy. And yeah, you can go back and look at my videos from when I did my bodybuilding transformation. You know, I got myself in pretty good shape. So to be 157 pounds is just a huge change for me. Yeah, it's not easy, but I do have to be patient and hope that I can incorporate exercising as part of my routine. Anyway, this is really just a quick video, just to put something out there, to, you know, talk and things. So yeah, it's shocking to see that the end of the year is so near. With just 3 months, there's not much time left. But you know, I had a choir teacher, and he was so particular about the way we performed in the classroom. But when we went to do a show, he was always positive and congratulated us at the end of the performance. So, you know, I don't think there's anything negative I can really say for the year. I think I've done well with my situation. You know, all things considered, I did well with what I have. So I just have to take it and implement all the things that I've learned to improve myself, and just keep it pushing, keep going forward. And I hope that if you follow me here, that you will follow me on my adoption pages also, because it helps to see other people's struggles and to see how they overcome them. And so my biggest hope is to be able to create a big platform of adoptees that we can connect together. So in trying to prepare for my trip to Europe, I'm going to try to make videos and talk about adoption also, because I think that traveling is a big way to fill the void that we have, to fill the hole in our hearts as adopted children. I am currently having issues with my computer. I've tried to take it to the Apple store. I've called Apple support. I'm working on it, so hopefully my gear will keep up and I will continue to produce and share with you. If you stayed with me the whole time, thank you for watching, and check out my website and connect with me on all of my pages. I will see you in the next one.